Hey guys, BMX Beginner Tricks here with you guys today, and I'm going to be reviewing my bike, the Kink 2013. Alright, so as you can see, the bike color is gray and red, and some black. Alright, so let's get into what it has on it. Alright, so these tires right here are 20-inch tires, full tires 20-inch. You have... This is a kink curb frame, so I'll show you the frame here real quick. You have a kink full threadless fork. You have kink midtown bars with a Mission Junction stem, and you have Mission Helix grips. I really like these grips. I enjoy these grips. You have a one-piece Mission C combo. And you have three-piece Mission three-piece cranks. There's two cranks there. You have a kink decimal sprocket. Yeah, I'll turn the bike around real quick for you guys. Wait a second. Alright, so the sprocket, and then you have a cassette hub, and it's 25 pounds. Okay, I do recommend getting this bike. It has a smooth ride, loud cranks. It's a good bike. It's pretty light. Yeah, I got this bike for about $550. It's a pretty good price. Alright, thanks guys for watching, comment, rate, subscribe.